Well, good morning, guys. I'm actually kind of mad. I just recorded this whole video and didn't realize that my mic was muted. So we're just gonna get into this really quick. I really don't feel like getting into detail because I just got into detail on the muted version. So, anyways, to walk through the trade, um, if you go back to my trading journal, this is our pre-market analysis. Um, So when I first opened the chart, this is what I saw. I saw that during pre-market, we took out London high, made an equal high with the daily buy side liquidity before dropping. So going into market open, I said that I wanted to see London low get taken and then see if we can aim for buy side. So this is after market open. We created a opening range gap. So consequent encroachment of the opening range gap just so happened to be down here as well. So I wanted to see what we did if we was to reach for that. So you can see once market opened too, we took out London, and then we had this 1 hour BISI fair value gap. So I'm just once we traded down here, I'm just watching closely to see what happens, and then you can see sell side taken, BISI filled. I see this move as a potential Judas swing. Then I was looking at sister pairs. Um, ES was ugly on open. It was just consolidating for the most part. YM was too. We did only good thing we had dollar was bearish on open, so that's something I did want to see. And you can see we got in this trade. Um, so we had this 1 minute inversion fair value gap. We have this rejection of consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. We had a closure and break above this new week opening gap. So seeing all of this, I was just taking my entries based off of that and targeting daily buy side. I was going to take a partial at these equal highs, and so taking a partial because we have equal highs and we're breaking above in the 9:30, 8:30, and midnight opening prices. So that was my plan, and then as you can see, pretty straightforward to the point. Got in, was able to pyramid an entry right here. We had a rejection at this 5 minute fair value gap, eventually breaking above this fair value gap, the first presented fair value gap for today, and the previous first presented fair value gap, taking out these equal highs where I took out my partial, and then at terminus, getting out at daily buy side. So that was the trade for today. Um, wasn't able to. So we was able to make 1137 on Apex account, and then I think it was 381 or 341 on Top Step. So yeah, that was a pretty nice trade. On our Apex account, it was pretty nice. We were able to bring that back up to in profit because we were down on this account. So back in profit, up $539 because I think we was down like 400 or yeah, we was down about 400 on this account from last week. So that was a pretty nice trade, bringing us back in profit. Um, and yeah, that was pretty much it. I was gonna hold a runner, but I didn't. I don't really have any targets on the upside outside of. We could delete that. I didn't really have any targets on the upside. I don't see the market. I highly doubt the market is gonna go up an extra 300, 400 points to take out this high going into all time highs today. So that's why I ended up taking my runner off. I'm not taking any more trades today. That was one and done for me. Trying to practice my discipline. 2 trades per session if needed. If I lose my first trade, cut half my size for the second trade. So, in trying to practice that. Since I won my first trade, I'm gonna step away for the day. If anything, if I come back, I'll take read the PM session. But we do have FOMC tomorrow at 2 o'clock. So uh, for tomorrow morning session, I will tape read just to get some practice and studying in, but won't be taking any trades until post FOMC tomorrow afternoon. But yeah, hope you learned something from this trade. This was the trade that I took today. Again, it is Tuesday. Um, and tomorrow is FOMC. So plan on trading. I wish you the best of luck. Be careful. Practice good trade discipline and risk management. But that's gonna do it for today. I will see you guys later or tomorrow.